Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lina and this video will show the most profitable and easiest trading strategy even for beginners. Watch this video till the end and write the comments. The lucky one will receive $100 to the balance on the website, and let's start our trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group. Just go to the dialog with me and write +VIP.
So today we start trading with $900. See what happens. Also, before starting, I ask you to subscribe to my Telegram channel and YouTube channel. You'll find all the links in the description. Now let's organize our workspace. The first is the amount of deals. It's $150, a little more than 10% of our balance. We will also have deals for minutes as well as a minute time frame and candles. Let's look at concept pass. And we need to choose concept pass. On the right are concept pass and concept outs. I advise you to choose with a percentage of more than 70. I'll choose several concept pass. Although let's do it a little more. The payout percentage may also change, but you can change the concept pair also. I think that's enough. Also, today we'll use two indicators, Keltner channel and Bollinger Bands. So let me tell you about them. These are the settings of the first indicator. This is Keltner channel. I'll tell you a little about this indicator. This is a volatility-based indicator that helps determine markets trading. Like other similar indicators, it's based on the principle of channel price movement. That's it. So that's when the indicator is plotted on the chart, a channel border appears within which the price is expected to trade most of the time, and yet there exists. So in most cases, reversals will probably occur when we leave the Keltner channel. So as for example here, we broke through it, 2 more candles up, then a reversal, and in the lower range as well, but there are times when the trend is strong, as here. Then when it breaks, most often we exit the Keltner channel. So it's the Bollinger Bands. This indicator illustrates periods of varying volatility depending on changes in the market price. That's what does this mean in simple words. It shows the strength of the trend, the strength of the change. So to say that we have almost reached the peak points that we have not reached before. After that, a reversal occurred, then the trend fell. So that is, if the trend is below, then we have a period of consolidation. That is like here. The trend was at the bottom according to the Bollinger, then it sharply went up, then reached the peak point and the reversal occurred, and again a short period of consolidation began and the trend began to fall. I think you understand everything. I suggest switching to the first concept pair, and we are already here. We open down here and begin our technical analysis. Why did we open down? Let's figure it out. The first thing is, if we highlight the resistance level, we went down well from this level and the trend is going down. That we see from our first indicator. This is the Keltner channel. We see that we have left it enough. That shows that at the moment the trend will go down and will not return to our Keltner channel, as the trend is strongly going down and decline. And we open with the trend. According to the second indicator, we begin to decline. So this shows the growth of our chart. Let's see. 7 seconds left until the end of our deal. Let's wait for the completion of our deal. Yeah, Good. The deal is closed and profit. The profit is 112. Good. Let's move on to the next concept pair. And here we are on the next concept pair. Let's up and down here and start our analysis. So we are now in the Keltner channels. And we have reached the peak. So a reversal has happened, as happens in most cases. It does not allow us to go beyond the Keltner channels. Also, if we choose the previous resistance area, according to the candle, according to the shadow of the candle, yeah. And the second indicator, then we see that we are staying below the average. The volatility is not high. And let's see for the completion of our deal. We see our deal. Our deal goes into positive. 8 seconds left. The chart is decreasing. Yeah, good. Our deal is in plus. Good. $118. Let's move on. And all deals will be in my Telegram channel. And the next concept pair. We'll open up here and we begin our analysis. We see that we have reached the previous resistance level, such it's quite dangerous to open up now, but still I will open this way. We're going up very strongly. It has gone up a lot beyond the channels. We also see a huge increase in the Bollinger. I trust my analysis and the upward trend. Also, we have reached the resistance level. Let's look at this situation. I think it's okay. Yeah. We have reached the resistance. So let's see. There are 9 seconds left. There is also growth. I hope there will be no rollback and the deal closes in plus. Get profit is 130. Was quite risky because we have reached the resistance level, but based on the analysis of the trend and indicators, it was clear. And there was a fake pullback maybe, although it's unlikely, and yet the chart is starting to recover a little after such a strong growth. Let's move on. Here we're in the next concept pair, up and lower. Yeah, down deal and begin our technical analysis. First thing is that we have been at the exit from the Keltner channels for quite a long time, and if we highlight the resistance area, we have reached this point, like this. So then there was decline in this peak and a return to the Keltner channel zone, and therefore we up and down, and the pullback came from the resistance zone. According to the second indicator, we see that we have a good growth. Then we see volatility fell and trend also fell. The trend may begin to slow down and there will be a period of consolidation maybe when the price is approximately at the same level. Yeah, 1 second. Good. $180 is our profit. Good. On the balance, 1,380. Good. So now we have moved to the next concept pair and we'll up and down here. Let's start our technical analysis. And first we had a strong recession, then a recovery and a period of consolidation. The price remains approximately at the same level with minor changes. What this tells us is that there will be no trend now and we will have to catch a certain moment that we opened for a decline. We're staying at the upper boundaries of the Keltner channel. We will return there and the market will decline probably. So next we see from the second indicator that there is a large decrease in volatility. Most likely there will be a planned drop down and recovery to this level. Let's see. Just 1 second until the end of the deal. Profit is 123. Good. All the deals will be in my Telegram channel. And let's move on. Yeah, next concept, open up, and we start our technical analysis. Why did we open up if we are on the border near the Keltner channels? Thereby a reversal will occur, but we see all those small but good green candles to the top have formed. This indicates that perhaps the trend will go up, and I think we will go up and overcome the level of resistance. And according to our analysis, it's so our second indicator, we see volatility is at its minimum and there are no jumps, and volatility has dropped significantly. Let's see. I think it will be okay. We'll open up for seconds. Let's zoom. Good. Profit is $120. We have slightly gone beyond the boundaries. Now a red candle will most likely form. This indicates that the market will go down. Let's move on to the next concept. So let's open up and let's begin our analysis. If we highlight a resistance area and a support area, we went down to this support area for quite a long time. Then there was a reversal to the support area. So we opened up. We see 4 green candles and 1 red candle is a rollback, and then a green candle will most likely form. So and we see from the second indicator that volatility is almost at a minimum. This is not very good, but it still happens, and this suggests that the chart will not change sharply. It will change more smoothly with small rollbacks, but the chart will go up. Let's get closer. 3 seconds. Yeah, good. Plus DL, profit is $123. At the last moment the chart went up. We could close at 0. Let's move on. And now we are ready on the next concept, and we open up here and begin the analysis. We see a strong decline in the chart. Yeah, here we see it within the Keltner channel. This means that we have reached the border, and this candle indicates a reversal, and therefore we opened up as there's a reversal in the opposite direction. Also, thereby we have established a support level and we see the resistance level. Then there will be a decline and we'll move toward the resistance level. According to the second indicator, we see that volatility is at minimum, and also volatility is gradually starting to increase. Most likely there will not be rapid growth, but there will be leveling off. Perhaps a period of consolidation will begin, where the price will be approximately at the same level. Let's wait. So 3 seconds left. Yeah, the deal is plus. Profit is 129. Our balance is growing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Hello traders, my name is Lynn and you're on my YouTube channel where I show you how to trade in binary options. Here you'll find the most profitable and easiest trading strategies.
Open up. Let's figure it out. If we identify resistance level, it's the first thing. So we overcome it well. Most likely we will overcome it. That's why we opens up. Also, we may not return to the Keltner channels for now. Now there will be growth and then a fall. Also, what we see is that on the second indicator, our volatility is growing. perhaps the chart will go up. Let's wait for the deal to complete. 13 seconds, let's zoom. The uncertainty candle appears. 3 seconds left until the end of the deal, and profit is 130. Let's move on to the next concept and let's start our technical analysis. And open. We can open here for fall, and what we see, let's figure it out. We see that if we highlight the resistance level, we have overcome it. The candles are quite small, and our second indicator, there is a low volatility. We see it here. It will probably grow, but still it's low. And due to the fact that the market is growing very slowly, we see it. We have also approached the resistance level, and we up and down. 12 seconds left until the end of the deal. Let's zoom. 2 more. And the deal should close in plus. Yeah. Profit is $130. The balance is already more than $2,000. Let's open our last concept and start our technical analysis. Open up here. Here we see our second indicator, Bollinger. Volatility has been kept at a low level for a long time. Here we see a decrease. The chart is going down. There are no sharp changes. Why is there an increase? We see a lot of candles in the Keltner channel, and there will be a slight recovery in the opposite direction. We see it. Let's see. 18 seconds left, and we opened up. From the Keltner channel, we exit a little. There's a growth. There are 8 seconds until the end of the deal. The chart is growing. 7 seconds. Yeah, good. The deal is going into plus. So let's sum it up. Yeah, a good result for today. Our balance is more than $2,000. Good result. The amount of the deal is $150. 1 minute there here the concept is. The payout amount is more than 70%, and 2 indicators, Keltner and Bollinger. We see. Yeah, these are the Keltner settings. You can copy if you want. And the Bollinger, the settings. So that's it for today. And if you have any questions, you can write me in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.